Bagan. Bagan, located in Myanmar, formerly known as Burma, is a historic city that holds great cultural and architectural significance. It is renowned for its vast collection of ancient temples, pagodas, and ruins spread across a vast plain. Spanning an area of approximately 40 square kilometers, Bagan boasts more than 2,000 well-preserved structures that provide a glimpse into the rich history and heritage of the region. The temples of Bagan were primarily constructed between the 11th and 13th centuries, during the height of the pagan kingdom. These structures were built by various kings and their wealthy subjects as acts of religious devotion. Today, Bagan stands as a testament to the architectural prowess and spiritual devotion of the ancient Burmese people. The temples of Bagan are diverse in terms of architectural styles and designs. From towering pagodas to smaller, intricately carved structures, each temple tells its own unique story. Some notable temples include the Ananda Temple, the Shwesagan Pagoda, and the Damayanji Temple. The Ananda Temple, often regarded as the most beautiful temple in Bagan, showcases a fusion of Mon and Indian architectural styles. Its grandeur is exemplified by its golden spires and intricate stone carvings. The Shwesagan Pagoda, on the other hand, is a significant religious site and is believed to enshrine relics of Gautama Buddha. Despite the passage of time and the damage caused by earthquakes and other natural disasters, Bagan's temples have managed to retain their magnificence. The archaeological zone of Bagan, a designated UNESCO World Heritage Site, ensures the preservation and restoration of these ancient structures. Exploring Bagan is a remarkable experience for travelers. Visitors can rent e-bikes or hire local guides to navigate the vast plains, enabling them to discover hidden gems and witness breathtaking sunrises and sunsets over the temple-studded landscape. Hot air balloon rides are also popular, offering a unique perspective of the ancient city from above. In addition to the temples, Bagan boasts a rich cultural heritage. The local people, predominantly of Burmese origin, are warm and welcoming, offering insights into their traditional way of life. Traditional arts and crafts, such as lacquerware, weaving, and wood carving, are still practiced in Bagan, providing opportunities for visitors to witness these skilled artisans at work. Bagan also hosts vibrant festivals throughout the year, which provide a glimpse into the region's religious and cultural practices. The Ananda Pagoda Festival and the Bagan Nat Festival are particularly renowned, attracting both locals and tourists alike. Tourism plays a vital role in Bagan's economy, with visitors from around the world drawn to its awe-inspiring architecture and serene atmosphere. However, sustainable tourism practices are being emphasized to preserve the delicate balance between preserving the site and providing a fulfilling experience for travelers. In recent years, there have been efforts to improve infrastructure and amenities in Bagan, including the construction of new hotels, restaurants, and transportation options. However, these developments must be carefully managed to ensure they do not detract from the unique character and historical significance of the site. In conclusion, Bagan stands as a testament to the grandeur of Myanmar's ancient past. Its collection of temples and pagodas, coupled with its rich cultural heritage, make it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking a glimpse into the history and spirituality of the region. With its serene landscapes and awe-inspiring architecture, Bagan continues to captivate and inspire visitors from all corners of the globe.